Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to use ExitLag on PS5. PS5 doesn't support ExitLag directly, but you can still route your traffic through it using a PC and network sharing. Here's how. Method. Use ExitLag via PC internet sharing. Step 1. Install ExitLag on PC. Download and install ExitLag on your Windows, PC, or laptop. Create an account and log in. Step 2. Connect PC to internet. Use a stable connection. Ethernet is preferred, but Wi-Fi works to. Step 3. Connect PS5 to PC. Plug an Ethernet cable from your PS5 into your PC. On PC, go to Control Panel, gives Network and Sharing Center, gives Change Adapter Settings. Step 4. Enable Internet Sharing. Right-click your main internet connection, gives Properties. Go to the Sharing tab. Check Allow other network users to connect. Select the Ethernet port connected to your PS5. Step 5. Run ExitLag on PC. ExitLag, choose the game or server you want to optimize. Apply the optimized route. Step 6. Set up PS5 network. On your PS5, go to Settings, gives Network, gives Set up Internet Connection. Choose LAN since it's now connected to PC via Ethernet. Complete the test and connect. You're done. Your PS5's traffic now routes through your PC using optimized servers. Expect reduced ping and better stability depending on your network. I hope you have liked this video. Like and subscribe channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.